Thank you, Alex.
Okay, thank you.
A little tour in Alex mobile. Forward screen. Okay.
Hi, I'm Alex.
Take us to a tour.
Okay, so in the back right there, it's a fucking mess. A homeless guy named Joe lives there, so don't mind him.
Oh, I can still see you got the TNT. What if someone lights it with flint and steel?
I don't care, this guy's a piece of shit anyways. But now that you're recording me, I feel like if I'm in a live TV show right now, I'd be a meme right now.
You are a meme.
I know.
Okay, I'm gonna bench 200 today. I'm gonna bench 10